Hello, today we'll be talking about how low wages, underemployment, and financial crisis affect an economy. The low wages leads the worker to underemployment. It lacks the economic and it makes financial crisis take place and the economic growth will decrease. First, we will be talking about how low wages leads to be underemployment. The companies make more money, but still worker gets low wages. Although the worker save costs of training and pay less tax, but still they have to rely on public assistance. Their wages will not sufficient to support the household, and worker need to find high-paid job. The low wages affect the worker to be underemployment, which means the economic growth will go down. The overqualification might cause the economic growth down. For example, an individual with an engineering working as a pizza delivery man as his main source of income, considered to be underemployment. Underemployment lead to cause poverty. For example, although worker may be able to find part-time work, the part-time pay is not sufficient for basic need. An individual that is working part-time at an office instead of full-time considered underemployed because they are willing to provide more employment, which can increase the overall output. If the high qualification person worked as underemployed, lead the economic down and financial crisis happen. Lastly, we'll be talking about what makes financial crisis take place and how financial crises affect the economic growth. An example is internationally at the end of years, all of the world's major economics were struggling to stay out of ones. In final 4 months of 2008, the United States of America lost nearly 2 million jobs and the underemployment rate shot up to 7.2%. If the high qualification person worked as underemployment, then the economy goes down and the financial crisis takes place and the economic growth will decrease. It slows economic flow and banks stop trusting people to return their money. Banks stop giving them money. Financial crisis cause economic growth down. Overall, the low wages increase the number of underemployment and create financial crisis, and it decreases the economic growth.
Created using Powtoon.